Hey everyone, Jennifer Lawrence here, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Florida Network Realty. Welcome to my newest listing over in North St. John's community of Julington Creek Plantation. This home sits on over a 1/4 of an acre lot, has majestic oak trees, and your own private preserve. You've got 4 bedrooms, plus an office, 2 bathrooms, and a cozy gas fireplace. You've got top-of-the-line kitchen appliances with a split bedroom floor plan, and the owner's suite actually has its own French doors that opens up to your own private lanai. You have the top schools in the state, your zone 4. You've also got resort-style amenities in this neighborhood. So let's go inside and check this one out so you can see it for yourself. So I had to take a minute and showcase this backyard preserve. It really is one of the highlights of the property. You can sip your morning coffee on your screened-in porch and interact with all the wildlife.